Nates and his dodgy file formats. Tell you what. Yo, so what up YouTube, it's your boy Fivoe, aka the MF Crookie Cop, and today we have a dodgy edit from Nates. Okay, so I've been sitting on this edit for a while. Nates sent it to me a while ago and he's like, get it on your channel lad, get it on your channel. And he sends me everything in like a dodgy file format and it just crashes my computer constantly every time I try and work on them. And he sends me like a scrambled order as well, so I've got to try and make some kind of sense out of it, and then all the liabilities on me if it turns out dodgy. Whatever man, I've done my best with it anyway. So yeah, run it.
Hey yo, Puff, check this out, fam. I'm tired of niggas hating on the motherfucker. Let's take it to the next millennium on these bitches. You gotta keep bubbling on them, platinum doubling on them. Fuck these niggas. Hey yo, I bumped into these cats and they was like, yeah, what's up with that nigga Puff? He swear he nice. I said, yo, the brother don't swear he nice. He knows he's nice. You public enemy #1 right now. But fuck that damn shit. Spit that hydro ghetto shit.
That's that shit right there. Whom shall I fear? Throw your guns in the air. Socialize, get down, let your soul lead the way. Cause I'm that enemy that you can't see, but you wanna be. You ain't shit to me, player. It ain't hard for you to get to me, player. My road dogs, they'll spit for me. So if you want what's mine, you got to have the heart. I seen them come and I seen them part. You ain't one beef, then why did you start? Run from the light, catch shots out the dark. Suffer, duck, or you'll catch these. On the spot, red dots make them all believe. Ain't nobody kicking no rhymes like these. See, I do the things that they can't achieve. So don't start pacing, I'll start placing bets on that you'll be disgracing. More hotter than the sun, I'm living on the run because I'm public enemy #1. What you got against me? Is it my girl or is it the Bentley? Is it my house or maybe it's all three? I just came up and you're all against me. But ask yourself, why is he #1? Now ask yourself, who's done what he's done? Then ask yourself, you fit for the long run? You think it's a game, you're shitting the wrong one. Always with God and I don't swing solo. Never back down when I gotta throw bolos. Wanna see me out but I just won't go though. Pretty young things wanna have my photo. One in their room hanging on the wall in remembrance that I rock them all. Got no time for those that think small. Throw me in the club cause they can't ball. Hate shot callers, hate them ballers. Back in control now, I call orders. It's no fun fleeing under the gun cause they got me public enemy #1. All you suckers, liars, court testifiers, wanna infiltrate and break my empire. I spit lines, hit rhymes, keep down sweating, giving them the juice that they're not getting. A bona fide player, now who got the flavor? A non-stop rhythm rock poetry sayer. I'm the lifesaver, the New York mayor. Before you try me, you better say your prayers. My word to the wise is do not try. Till you know that I'm born, then you say don't die. I take what I find, put a beat to they rhyme. Thought it was over, but I crept from behind. Wanna try to stop me from speaking my mind? Almost 2000 and running out of time. Almost to the point where I wanna bust nines. A lot of strange faces, I can only trust mine. Soldiers in position all on the front line. Don't make a move till I give them the sign. Known as the poetical, lyrical miracle son. I'm public enemy #1.
On these motherfuckers. These niggas is walking around like little bitches, talking about what you got and what they ain't got. They get a little jealous and wanna bring you down. But fuck that, they just mad cause you got all the ladies and you pushing them Bentleys.
so there you go. The infamous 167. Oh, like I said, man, I'm sorry. I did my best with it, man. I did my best with it. I think it turned out alright, man, but Jesus, stop sending me stuff in scrambled orders, bro. Fucking hell, man, you're making it hard for me. Anyway, that was just a quick one while I'm working on the stuff from the other day. Gives you something to watch anyway, done it, man. It bigs him up quite a bit, man. You know the crack. Comment on it, let me know what you think. If you want to get at Nates, man, you can get him at infamous167 on Instagram. You know, you should know by now that you can get me on Instagram at mfcrookeycop, and you know, usual stuff, man. If you like it, you like it. If you love it, you share it. And if you've got a dodgy crewmate who causes you more hassle than he causes you anything decent, subscribe to it, and don't forget to flick said little dude who appears about here, man, so you get more videos. Click that little bell so you get notifications, hit that thumbs up. Pretty sure we're gonna get the usual 3 dislikes, man. I mean, it's quite obvious who's doing that, but jealous is jealous, doesn't it? Anyway, until next time, pea fucking soup. Cue my motherfucking music.